Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another episode. And this episode is nothing but about this festive season which is beginning like in a few days. I have already missed so much last year in my festive season. I have missed getting glam, I have missed dressing up, and I don't want to continue that this year. Although I might not be able to go out, I might not be able to meet as many people, but I still want to get glamorous because I can at least click photos. I am such a big digger for makeup and getting glam that I have already missed it so much. But this festive season, we are going to get glam, and I am going to do it with this makeup right here. Now, if you see, this is all Maybelline. I am going to use all Maybelline products here to get glam, and I'm going to create 3 looks, which is going to be for beginners, and anybody can create with just basic makeup skills. So that is what we are going to do in this video, and let me tell you, we are going to get glamorous and we are going to celebrate. And now, since we have become so much comfortable with doing things online, like meeting our families, celebrating things online with our families, so might as well do with our full face of makeup. And that is what I'm going to do today. I am going to create 3 different looks. One look is going to be absolutely natural looking, one look is going to be daytime glam, and third look is going to be nighttime glam. All these 3 looks in one video. And now, if you want to see how I do it, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. Okay, now before starting, let me tell you, I have done my skincare already and it is good to go. So I am going to start with makeup. The first look we are going to create is going to be very natural looking for the people who don't like too much of makeup but still want to get glamorous and look their absolute best without putting too much of effort. Now you might have seen a lot of videos around internet, such kind of videos which are quick to do and no makeup looks, but they do so much in their no makeup as well. I am also one of those who are guilty for that, but today I am going to create this thinking of a Raksha Bandhan day, where in our homes we tie Rakhis really early in the morning, so you don't get too much of time to dress up. So this is going to be like 10 minutes or so dressing up. So you're going to do your makeup in like 10 minutes and get ready to tie Rakhis, because obviously we want to look best, we want to look our better version. So let's just start with the first look. And as I always say, your skincare is very important, so make sure you do your skincare first. Your skin is looking healthy and nice. I am done with that, and I am going to start with a primer first. And for the primer, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me primer. This is from the same range, matte and poreless. This is for normal to oily skin and it contains clay. So since it has clay and a creamy texture, it mattifies my skin, but at the same time it doesn't make it look unhealthy. It makes sure that your skin is looking matte, poreless. So both my problems are tackled, because my T-zone is really oily, as you know. So it helps me get rid of those oils, but at the same time my pores are taken care of. It kind of blurs it, but it doesn't feel like too mattifying. Now if you see my skin, it has definitely mattified, but it still has that natural glow that it needs to have to look beautiful and to have absolutely flawless makeup. And now when that primer has set nicely into my skin, I'm going to start with concealer. And for concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind. This is in the shade 120 light, and this shade is exactly my skin tone, and this is going to help cover my acne spots. Like, I am having really bad acne, I don't know why, but this is going to help me cover that. So either use a concealer that is your skin tone or a teeny tiny bit darker than your skin tone, so that way you can easily cover all those acne spots because if you use a high concealer that is not your skin tone or lighter than your skin tone, it's going to instead highlight that, you know, acne, which we don't want. And since this is a quick look, this is the easiest way to conceal your acne. Now I am going to let this dry a little bit, let it stay like that so that it dries up a little bit. That way I'll get maximum pigmentation in the areas and it will help cover my pigmentation and dark spots properly. And till then I'm going to move to the next step. And for that I'm going to do my eyes. Now my eyes has a little bit of concealer on it, and I am using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 light, and I'm going to pick up a tiny bit of that powder on a brush and just dab it across my eyelid so that they don't turn oily throughout the day. And to do my eyes, I am not doing anything elaborate. Again, as I said, very basic. So I am using this Maybelline contour kit. This is known as Maybelline Master Contour by Face Studio. I am using it in the shade 10 light to medium. And I am going to start with this contour shade, pick it up on the same brush and just put it across my crease to create little tiny bit of depth and a flush of color. So this is making our eyes look a lot bigger. So whenever you want your eyes to look a little bigger than your usual, just create this depth here by using a brown shade that's 3 to 4 shades darker than your skin tone. And now I am moving back to my face. You might be thinking, what am I doing? Eyes, face. But yeah, that is how I work to create this look very quickly. So I'm taking my beauty blender, and before my concealer dries down completely, I'm just going to dab it and blend that concealer. So this way it gives me the pigmentation that I want. And now you see it has definitely covered all my acne spots and still looks very skin like. Taking tiny bit of the powder and picking it on my beauty blender again. This is going to be very tiny bit. I dust off most of it and just put it on the regions which are generally oily for me. So that's my T-zone, and also little bit under my eyes, although they are, you know, dry. My under eyes are very dry, but this powder helps my concealer not crease, and at the same time it does not enhance the texture. So that's a yay. And apart from that, I'm just putting it on my T-zone so that my makeup may last long, and nicely push it into your skin. So all this step, if you do, it's going to take you hardly a minute or and a half. So because I'm making it in a form of a video, I'm talking to you guys, explaining things to you guys, so it takes a little longer for me, but for you it should be really quick. And now while all of that is setting on place, let's just get back to our eyes. I am taking this highlighter shade from the same palette. I'm going to highlight my brow bone. This is a very subtle highlight shade which looks very amazing when light strikes on it. Also my inner corner. And then taking that same highlighter shade, I'm going to take it a little inside like this. So this is kind of going to, you know, wake up our eyes early in the morning. And now I am going to pick this blush shade from the palette. This is to create that monotone, and I'm going to just dab it across my eyelid. Again, very easy, very simple, no makeup skills really needed. And if you see, I am doing everything using only one brush. So that is the motto here, that anybody with basic makeup skills or, you know, basic makeup can just do this makeup look really quickly. And then going back to the contour shade, I am picking up that contour shade and just putting it across my lower lash line. And now when that is done, I am going to use this Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. Oh my god, it is jet black, like jet black, and so easy to work with, you know. I'm just going to create that basic eyeliner here. Right, now if you see, I have not created any wing, but to create that oomph here in the look, I am just going to create an inner corner wing, very small, tiny inner corner. And when our eyes are off the way, before applying mascara and everything, I'm going to just do a little bit of color addition to our face. So I'm taking this contour shade from here and create the structure that doesn't exist on my face. And then picking up this blush, nice pinky blush. I am obsessed with the shade, and apply it on my cheeks. I like to concentrate all my blush here in this region, in my temple region, because that adds a little structure to my face, which is otherwise very rough. So I do that. And if you have a very chiseled face already, you can put a little bit of blush on your cheek region, and that should work for you. And then picking up a tiny bit and applying it on my nose to give it a Kashmiri look, because I like how in Kashmiris, you know, their whole this thing from nose to cheeks, how it is so pink and beautiful. So I like that. So that is what I try to do generally. And now I'm going to nicely blend everything in. No harsh edges anywhere. And this is how our face is looking, very nice and chiseled. It doesn't look like you have not applied foundation. It looks so skin-like, so beautiful, but all your flaws are gone and your skin is looking absolutely stunning. And I am going to use this Colossal mascara now. This is Maybelline the Colossal. And you know, the best thing is that this spoolie doesn't pick up too much of product, because I have seen a lot of mascaras, some really nice ones, which, you know, your spoolie just gets all filled up with the product, and then it kind of, you know, makes your lashes spider lashes. So this helps in separating out lashes really well, and at the same time give it a beautiful effect. And for the lipstick, I am using this one here. This is Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade 06 Best Babe. And you know, this is such an innovation. I mean, having a liquid lipstick in this pack is so good, because people who cannot, you know, use lipsticks full size products, people who cannot use the lipsticks that are full size because they don't wear it as often, can still buy these lipsticks. I mean, they're such beautiful shades. Right, so what I was saying about these lipsticks are that I really appreciate Maybelline creating such kind of packages, because not everybody can afford a full size product. Everybody is not as privileged to use a brand like Maybelline, which is very drugstore, but at the same time, drugstore, the prices become very subjective from person to person. So I really appreciate, you know, when you have such kind of packaging where everybody can get access to nice, trustworthy brands like Maybelline, and you know, you can use it even an affordable price. Like this one, it retails for 99 rupees, and you can easily, you know, use it for 2 months or so easily, even if you use it almost every day. So I like that, you know, everybody can have access to a drugstore brand like Maybelline, which is very, very trustworthy, which is very reliable, and you get nice products at a decent price. And it has also come up with foundations, again, people who cannot afford full size products can use these ones. I really like, I really like that they have come up with this concept where everybody can try their hands on such beautiful products. Because if you know me or my channel, you definitely know that I have been using Maybelline Fit Me foundation forever. Like, this was the first foundation that I ever used, and at that time also I felt like it is such a beautiful foundation, it is such a beautiful formula, and you get good number of shade range, which generally is not available in a brand that is drugstore or cheaper. So if you get a good shade range at an affordable price, what else could you ask for, right? I love how everything has turned out. It looks very, very, very beautiful. I hope you're liking this look. And now this is my very, very early morning quick makeup routine, which can be created in like 10 minutes or so. And now, after this is done, let me put on my earrings and jewelry and be right back. And now let's move to the second look. And for the second look, it is going to be a daytime glam. I have all my cousins and everybody coming over on Raksha Bandhan day to our place, to my mom's place. And I like to get a little more glamorous. I like to get a little more coverage on my face. So I'm going to let my eyes and lips stay, but I'm going to change the base here because I'm going to go nicely glamorous. So I'm going to get rid of this basic base, no foundation base, and I'm going to use foundation and everything. So right now I'm just cleaning this up without changing my eyes or lips. And now when I have taken all that makeup off my face, that base, I am going to start with my skincare again. So I'm going to do my skincare off camera and we'll be back. And after my skincare, I'm again going to use the same primer that I used initially, taking a quite bit of it, because this is going to help lay my foundation and all the other products on my face really well, and this is going to help it stay all day long. So, and now starting with the concealer, I am using the same Age Rewind concealer, but this is a tad bit lighter for my skin tone, and I like my under eyes and everything highlighted. So I apply a lighter concealer here because I'm going to go over with a foundation. So it's going to just serve the purpose of highlighting my face and giving it a slight lift. And I don't really have to conceal my acne marks and everything here, because this foundation that I'm going to use is quite good at that. And now I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This is again matte and poreless range because that is what works for my skin type. I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and picking this up on my beauty blender. I'm just going to go over from the center of my face. I'm not going too close to my under eyes because I've already applied concealer and they are well covered with that, so it doesn't really need to go too close. Just make sure that you don't have a very stark line between your concealer and your foundation. You see, it is blending so quickly and so easily into each other. And now from the same foundation range, I am going to take the shade 330 Toffee. And again, if you follow my channel for a while, you know I like this trick of using a foundation as my contour instead of an actual contour. So I've taken a tiny bit, if you can see, and just going to pick it up from one side of my beauty blender, and I'm going to apply it on the regions where I would generally apply my contour product. And now if you see this side and this side, this definitely looks a more sculpted, more bronzed. This Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold, my all-time favorite highlighter. I'm just going on the high points of my face with this one. I like how it looks like your skin is glowing from within and is not as chunky or glittery. And that is what I prefer in a highlighter, you know. It doesn't enhance the texture of your skin, but gives it a nice within glow. And guys, this is the complete second look. Now this is full coverage with great base, right? I mean, it looks so beautiful. You don't have to put too much of effort in covering your acne marks or anything, because your foundation does that for you, right? I am digging this look. Now this look for sure is going to stay all day long, because we have really powdered it well. We have set everything on place, and there is no chance of, you know, patchiness or anything, which can happen when you don't apply a foundation and only a concealer. If it's a wrong shade of concealer, your skin can definitely look more patchy. But here everything looks flawless, contoured, chiseled, and everything beautiful. Third look, we are not going to switch anything major. Our base is going to remain same. It's only going to be the lipstick and the little bit of touches in our eye look that we are going to change. So first we'll proceed with our eyes. I am just going to bold out this black eyeliner that I already have. I'm going to make it really bold and, you know, thick, like you can see on the other side of my eye. So I'm taking the same Colossal eyeliner, and I'm going to make this eyeliner a little more thick, a lot more thick, almost like covering all of your eyelid region. And I'm also going to create a wing on the outer corner here. See, it is so bold. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Maybelline eyeliner again. This is Hyper Glossy Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Silver Trance. This is a very beautiful eyeliner, and you know, it easily can be laid on top of any other eyeliner. Like you see here, I'm going to put it on top of this black eyeliner that I have put, and it's going to have very nice opaque coverage and give you that sparkly shine. So I'm not applying it all over the black, but just at the center to give it a little more pop and shine for a nighttime look. And I'm also going to underline this inner corner wing that I have created with the same silver eyeliner. And now I'm going to get rid of this lipstick and change the color to a little darker. And let me tell you, these lipsticks are so pigmented and so long lasting that I'm not going to get rid of them without a makeup remover. If you think you'll just wipe it with a wet wipe and be done, no. These lipsticks are really nice and long lasting, but still very comfortable. And I'm going to use this shade right here. It's known as 06 Best Babe. And this is our nighttime look complete. I switched a little bit on my eyes and changed the lip color, and it completely transforms everything. So I really like this, but we have to be cautious at the same time. So no look is going to be complete without a mask. And the best part about these lipsticks are they are mask proof. So it becomes very easy for you to easily take your mask on and off whenever needed. So I'm going to put it on and show you. Right, my eye look matches my mask. I love this thing. So nice and covered. And now let me show you my mask. See, no makeup transferred at all, right? No makeup transferred. So I like how this is mask proof and everything looks very beautiful. And that is it. And this is how the makeup looks, quite intact, whether you put your mask or you don't put your mask, whether you're letting it stay all day long, or it's going to look very fresh, very glamorous without any touch-ups. And even if you wear mask, I just showed you, it doesn't budge. There is no transfer in the mask, and at the same time it is looking very, very, very nice on your skin. So I like that about Maybelline products. And guys, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to do it. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because that doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot to me and my channel. This will help me grow, and also engage with the videos. That way it will reach more people, and that will again help me grow. So please engage, drop down some comments, share it with the people you think will like the video, and subscribe of course. Until then, take care. Ta-da!